In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing lengthy documents and making them easier to navigate, especially if you're working on academic papers, reports, or extensive collaborative projects. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of how to achieve this within Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs document where you want to create a table of contents. As you begin, it's important to ensure that the document is structured with the proper heading styles. This is essential because Google Docs uses these headings to generate your table of contents. You can find the heading styles by highlighting the text you want to format, then going to the toolbar at the top of the page. Click on the Style drop-down menu, which usually displays as normal text. From there, select a heading style, Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and so on. Choose these based on the hierarchy of your content, with Heading 1 being the top level, followed by Heading 2 for subsections, and so forth. This setup helps Google Docs recognize the structure of your document. Once your headings are correctly applied, it's time to insert the table of contents. Position your cursor where you'd like the table of contents to appear. Typically, it goes at the beginning of your document. Next, navigate to the menu at the top of your screen, select Insert, and scroll down to find Table of Contents. You'll be presented with a few style options, usually with links or plain text. Choose the one that best suits your preferences. Selecting the version with links is advisable if you plan to share your document digitally, as it allows readers to click and jump directly to different sections. However, if you're printing the document, the plain text option might be more appropriate. Once selected, Google Docs will automatically generate a table of contents that mirrors the heading structure of your document. It's also crucial to know that if you make changes to your document, such as adding new sections or renaming headings, the table of contents doesn't update automatically. To refresh it, simply click on the table of contents you've inserted, and a refresh button will appear above it. Clicking this button will update the contents table to reflect any modifications you've made to your headings. And there you have it, a fully functional table of contents in your Google Docs document. By following these steps, you ensure that your document is not only more organized, but also user-friendly for anyone who reads it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your document creation more efficient and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.